Okay, that's how I change a 601F evaporator coil. As a short version, I cut out a lot of the video. Didn't want to bore you with the routine stuff. This is basically the process that I go through. And it took a little longer. It took me almost 3.5 hours to do this job. But it's because before I changed the evaporator coil, I tested the heat exchanger. I made sure that it wasn't plugged. And I pulled out only 1.5 ounces of gas. I knew it had a leak. I just tried to find it with the leak detector, the ultrasound leak detector. Couldn't find any leaks, so I just went ahead and changed the evaporator anyway. So that's about the whole process. I charged it up with 10 ounces of R134A, checked all the joints for leaks, and that's it. So any comments, leave them, let me know what you think. And we'll see you on the next video.